How to hide apps on Android. Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can hide apps on Android phone. So in order to hide apps on Android phone, all you have to do is first of all, make sure that your device is up to date, and then to begin with, open up your settings application. While you're on the settings page, go to the home screen tab located right in between. Next, you'll be able to see this multiple option under it, so go through it, scroll down a bit, and under it go ahead and select hide apps. After you select hide apps, then you'll be able to find all of these applications that's on your device, and from there you need to select the application that you wish to hide. So select the application and then you've successfully hid your apps on Android device. And likewise, if you want to unhide the application, then you have to come back to the same page, that is the settings screen, and from there you have to go ahead and select the application that you wish to unhide. So that is basically how you can hide apps on Android. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.